Hello, namaskar dosto. So in this video, I would like to share you all something new that now I have started English grammar from the basic to advanced, and for that I am teaching in offline mode, but I am recording the videos and uploading on my YouTube channel. So if you are a beginner and you want to learn English, you want to speak this particular amazing language, then you must watch my videos on YouTube, and I have explained everything in a very easy manner and in a very easy way. Thereby, you would be able to understand everything, and yeah, that is totally free of cost. There would not be any fees for you to pay. But if you want to join my personal classes, you want to learn face to face, and if you have any doubt, you want to ask, and you want to be pro in English within 1 or 2 months, then definitely you must join my courses as well. And for that, you can watch, you can see in the description there would be information regarding the courses. And yeah, these are the things I want to share with you all. So whatever I am telling on my YouTube channel, that is totally based on the offline, whatever I am teaching in the offline. And if you have any queries, then you can ask in the comment section. But if you are very curious and you want to learn English with me, then you can join my online classes, because I know that to join offline, it would not be easy for you all. But yeah, you can easily join my online classes, and I will explain everything, whatever doubt you have. And if you are preparing for the competitive exam, or you want to speak, you want to write, and anything, whatever you want to do, you can do even by yourself. But the thing is that you have to do the things in a right way and in a proper way. And if you are not able to do and you have done a lot of hard work, then you must contact to me, and I will guide you and I will help you to overcome from these problems. So this is from my side, and I hope that videos which is I am uploading on my YouTube channel definitely would be very helpful for you all. So yeah, this is all about whatever I am doing new at the present time. I don't know that what would be the next new journey for me, but currently I am doing this. So this is all about. Thank you.